In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to win money on Monopoly Go. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Before I start showing you how to win money on Monopoly Go, I do want to say that there are plenty of ways in which you can acquire money in Monopoly Go, and I will not be able to show all of them in this video, so I'm gonna go over the main methods in which you will be able to acquire funds to increase your net worth in Monopoly Go. As you might be aware, the most important use of money is to buy landscapes on your current board to allow you to ascend and discover new boards. Now, in order to win money, the most basic way to do it is to simply roll around the board. By rolling around the board, you will be able to land on different spaces, and you have a chance of landing on certain spaces that you grant your money. So all that you have to do is keep rolling using your dice that you acquire daily, and depending on which spots you land on, you are going to win money on Monopoly Go, as you saw right there. Of course, besides just rolling in the board indefinitely, there are also other ways that you can earn money. For the most part, you can browse through events and deals that you can use real-life money on to purchase money inside of Monopoly Go. If you go into the wins option at the bottom left corner of the screen, you will notice that by completing these quick wins objectives daily, weekly, monthly, you will acquire rewards including money. So it's very important that you always log in and you always do a little bit of rolling around the board in a day. Don't let your dice cap and make sure that you spend them every day. That way you can accumulate a lot of money. By having a lot of friends, making sure that you always open up the community chest, and you manage your dice correctly, you will be able to acquire a lot of money to use on your landscapes and start getting new builds on every board. I hope I was able to help you on how to win money on Monopoly Go. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.